What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. For today, what I have planned today, we actually are going to be going to Andy's house today. It's pretty nice outside and it's not raining, so that's a good thing. But yeah, guys, just got off of work here. We're in the DSM today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get going, and then I'll catch you guys once we pull up to Andy's house. So stay. Alright, guys, we just arrived to our destination. We're here. Andy's not here right now because I sent him to go buy a couple of things. But yeah, let's get to work. Alrighty, guys, so this is it. So the whole purpose of coming today to Andy's house is because he actually picked up a 2G GSX shell. So I mean, I know he did a lot of work to his DSM. He got it painted and we worked on it for a while, but he honestly he's always been wanting that all-wheel drive, so he finally picked one up. So I mean, it's a clean ass shell, you know, it has no major dents or anything like that, and it's clean in and out. So we're just gonna transfer everything from this. Obviously he already bought a new you bought a transmission and everything too, huh? He bought his tranny, he bought everything he needs pretty much to transform to go from GST to GSX. So he's excited and he's happy about that. But he is gonna get rid of this shell. He's gonna throw it up for sale. On this car, he already has a carbon fiber hood. He has a carbon fiber trunk that was supposed to go on this car, but obviously all that has changed, and we're gonna be getting that puppy. So the plan for today is we're gonna be taking out the engine, pulling it out, and he also bought a lot of new seals and stuff just to, might as well, it's out, throw it, reseal it and everything. But yeah, guys, let's go around the GSX show so you guys can check it out. We're gonna go ahead and clean up his engine bay as well right now, clean that up. But check it out, no major dents or anything like that on the car. Inside is pretty clean, and like I said, he has a carbon fiber trunk and hood, and I think he also just bought the diffuser, so he's excited. Good looking car, transforming a GST to a GSX. Andy not to fly. Oh, there's some stuff that he bought. There's like the flywheel he got for to go into the GSX to match the GSX transmission. So for people who are not that familiar with DSMs, GST is a front wheel drive, GSX is an all wheel drive. So, you know, since we're going from GST to GSX, he needed to buy a new transmission. The flywheel is also different, and he's gonna have to change his axle. So it's not that much of a hassle to change, but yeah, guys, he is excited. There's his brother, here's the other Evo. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that engine out, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, so what I'm doing so far, I'm disconnecting the rest of the harness. I'm draining the fluid. I'm not at my house, so I don't have my cherry picker. I should have brought it, but so yeah, I'm gonna pull the engine down through the bottom. I'm almost finished on unhooking all the harness, and I'm draining the coolant right now. And then once all that's done, I'll just take off the radiator hoses, take off the radiator and the intercooler piping, and then it should be ready to come down. I don't have anywhere to set my camera right here, so I'm just gonna have to, you know, do it and then show you guys, and then, you know, take it step by step since I don't have nowhere to set it on. So let me keep going and I'll give you guys a little update right now. Well, alrighty, after almost slicing my finger off, we got it out. A little bit of work from Andy, Mr. Young LFA.
I didn't do nothing.
But it's finally out. I really wish it was at my house though, because it would have been done a lot faster and a lot easier. It's just dangerous. We don't have jack stands. We literally have the car on tires, like it's all wiggly, but I got it out. So I think we're gonna be done with that, and then I'm gonna go paint the engine bay. So I really need to bring my cherry picker to actually work on this mortar, because it's just gonna be too hard right there. So we're gonna go ahead and the engine bay is not the greatest, so we're just gonna go with some rattle cans, and so it can look a little better. So I'll do that right now. Alright, so I just finished rattle canning the engine bay. Looks a lot better than what it was. So not the best, but for what it was, looks a lot better. So I think we're pretty much gonna end the day here. We have the engine covered up over here. I really need my cherry picker to, like I said, to work on it, take it all apart. It's gonna be hard like that, but yeah, guys, this is gonna be a pretty cool, you know, from going from the GST to a GSX, so it'll be good. So alrighty, guys, that's gonna be the end for this video. We have made it home. So today, you know, I pulled out the engine. You know, I wanted to get that out of the car, and I painted his engine bay. So next time what we'll do is we'll clean up his mortar, and then we'll do the oil pump seal, rear main, and the cam seals, and then clean it up some more, slap the flywheel, clutch, and transmission, and it should be ready to drop in. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, please hit that subscribe button, please hit that like button, and I'm always up for some tips. And I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Have a good one, guys.